subscribe to World Information Channel and click on the bell icon to see the latest technology and world information video daily.
The Huawei Mate X is not only the company's first foldable smartphone, but its first 5G smartphone as well. The device follows the same foldable design like what we saw with the Samsung Galaxy Fold smartphone, but with some minor changes. Launched during the pre-MWC 2019 conference, the Huawei Mate X uses true back-to-back fold to make sure that there are no gaps between the screen and the display is not damaged in the long run. While the front screen works just like any other Android handset's display, the folded screen at the back is slightly less wide and acts as a selfie screen. Also, the Huawei Mate X misses out on the front camera but has triple rear cameras, all powered by Leica. Talking about specifications, the Mate X has an 8-inch wraparound OLED screen which converts to a 6.6-inch display when folded. At the back, the screen size comes around 6.4 inches. The smartphone is powered by Kirin 980 processor and is backed by dual batteries that combine to deliver 4500 mAh capacity. Huawei says that the handset will cost a hefty $2,200 and will be available by mid-2019.